Hospital Play. Welcome to my hospital. Excuse me, sister. Come in, please. I have a runny nose. I have a cough. I don't feel well. What's wrong with me? You have caught a cold. You should stay warm and wear a mask. Thank you, doctor. Next patient.
I have a stomach ache. I have a headache. I don't feel well. What's wrong with me?
You got a stomach bug. You should take medicine and stay home.
Thank you, doctor.
Next patient.
I have a stuffy nose. I have a fever. I don't feel well. What's wrong with me?
You have caught the flu. You should drink some tea and take a rest.
Thank you, doctor.
Next patient.
My arm's in pain. I can't move it well. It hurts. What's wrong with me?
You have a crack on your bone. You need a cast on your arm and don't use it.
Thank you, doctor.